This is the story of Goat, Dog, and Cow. Goat, Dog, and Cow were great friends. One day they went on a journey in a taxi. Dog paid extra because he did not have the correct money. The driver was about to give Dog his change. Suddenly, Goat ran away without paying. The driver was very annoyed. He drove away without giving Dog his change. That is why, even today, Dog runs towards a car to peep inside. He is looking for the driver who owes him change. Goat runs away from the sound of a car. She is afraid she will be arrested for not paying her fare. Cow is not bothered by cars. Cow takes her time crossing the road. She knows she paid her fare in full. That's the end of our story.